Hey friends, thank you guys so much for watching. Today I am doing a clean with me video. We are going to clean Liam and Jakey's room, tidying it up, just making sure that it is nice and clean for when we have guests over, because Liam's cousin Sophia is going to be coming over, and so is Bubby, their grandma, and also their auntie Jessica, which is Justin's sister. So we wanted the house to be nice and clean and nice and tidy. So the first thing I did was I made Liam's bed, but when Jessica and everyone visited, I changed the comforter, the bedding, the pillowcases, everything, you know, and I vacuumed and all of that. But this is just me tidying up right now. And Liam's new bed set, if you guys haven't watched a new cleaning video of mine, this is from Big Lots, you guys. I love it. It has good vibes. It looks more like a big boy bed versus his toddler theme back then. And then over here we still have his old dressers with the airplane on it, but I might change the handles into something else. And this is the Mrs.Meyers apple cider spray. You guys already know I bought it from Grove Collaborative. I stay buying everything at Grove Collaborative. So I went ahead and I just wiped everything down with my microfiber cloth, and I am just cleaning away. I love this for fall. This is a really great scent, but I have to be honest, Compassion Flower could be my everyday forever scent. I just love the way Compassion Flower smells like. And that's also by Mrs.Meyers. And you guys, I haven't found anything better than Compassion Flower yet. And I'm obsessed with it. Okay, so Liam's books are all over the place. So I went ahead and I put them all in his bookshelf because I just like to organize it for him, because every night we read a couple books for him and I just want him to be able to see which book he likes. But if you guys look inside those the bottom cubicle, those are all books too, and it's a hot mess. But I'm glad that it's a hot mess and you can't see it because I have, you know, the doors on them. So Liam has allergies. That's why we have a humidifier in his room, and I feel like it helps. So if your kid has allergies, or if you have allergies, turn on a humidifier at night and it'll make a world of difference. And so here I am just dusting everything, and I am also going to drink my water, mind my business, because you gotta stay hydrated when you're cleaning. So yeah, I'm just wiping everything down, and I feel like, you know, dusting everything, removing everything from the cubicle and just dusting and wiping down everything might help with Liam's allergies, because what if the dust is what he's allergic to, you know? So I still have a nightlight in his room because sometimes he likes his nightlight. And then we have a baby monitor in his room still. He's 5. So I need to ask you guys, do you still have a monitor for your kids even when they are 5 and older? Because I feel like I still need to. As a mama, I feel like I still need it for me. I need to make sure he's okay. I need to make sure that he's asleep, I need to make sure he's in his room and that he didn't go downstairs. I don't know, that's just me, you guys. So yeah, I'm just organizing everything, and instead of the yellow containers that we had for Liam, those were getting jacked up because they were made out of cardboard that we bought at IKEA for like $4 each. We have the new ones from Amazon, and they're navy blue, and it has a nice little silver handle. I think it's nice. I like it. It has a nice little touch to it. And then this is Liam's homework art station. We also got this table and chair from Big Lots, you guys. I have a whole video. I worked with Big Lots during back to school time, so I got to buy a bunch of stuff from them, and we did a whole makeover for Liam's room. So if you guys want to watch that, I'm gonna link it below. That cute little 3-drawer yellow container Liam loves. It used to be mine, but he took it from me, and I'm okay with that. So he puts crayons and stuff in there, and it's from Daiso. $1.50, y'all. You can't beat that. So that caddy though, it's from Big Lots too, and it was I think $1.50, that green caddy. So now it is time to do Jakey's room. But before we do Jakey's room, I wanted to just fold some laundry, and this is me putting away the laundry. All of this is Liam's jackets, sweaters, anything that I need to hang, which is pretty much mainly just jackets and hoodies and things like that. And I don't know if I mentioned, we have a glider in Liam's room because we're trying to donate that, because it used to be in Jacob's room. If you guys haven't seen, this is Jakey's new big boy bed. We completely remodeled it with new furniture, new everything, except it's still the same jungle theme. So Jakey's new bed we bought on Amazon, and it fits perfectly into the corner, and I really like it because he only has practically just 2 areas where he could fall off, you know what I mean? And he does fall off his bed sometimes, even though I have that body pillow over there. but it's not every night. So yeah, so Jakey's bedding we bought on Amazon. It's still a jungle theme. And then I put his stuffed animals right on top over there. He's got, I don't even know what that's called. It looks like an abominable snowman or something like that. So Jakey also has a baby monitor, of course, because, I mean, he's a lot younger than Liam. Of course he's gonna have that because mama gotta stay checking on him. So here I'm just refilling the pull-ups for Jacob. And I have like eczema honey, like a booty spray for Jakey over there. Yeah, just cleaning up, tidying up his room. And that is what Jakey's room looks like. His new drawer, I believe we bought it on West Elm. And then I'm wiping down the pail, and Jakey's room is nice and clean too. And I sprayed the Mrs.Meyers in his room. Thank you friends so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you guys did, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you next time. Bye.